So, Merry early Christmas. It is time to give a first look at any upcoming snowstorms and a possible Arctic blast because it very well might be a white 12 days of Christmas. This video will be a little shorter and we'll just go through a basic overview. I will go into increasing detail the closer we get to the events, and just as a note, I will not release snow totals until Friday's video, Christmas Eve, due to uncertainty. I will go into more details on why this uncertainty exists, including some different scenarios on tomorrow's video. So, how these Arctic blast setups generally happen. So, you have the Rocky Mountains in British Columbia going south through the United States, and that dividing line is very important because all the cold air starts in the northern part of Canada and Alaska. So for most cold air outbreaks actually go east of the Rocky Mountains because it's easier for the cold air to go east of there because of multiple gaps in the northern part. However, sometimes it will go down on the west side. A lot of times it will go over the Pacific Ocean instead, and that will warm up the air because of the fact that the ocean temperatures tend to be warmer than land temperatures in the wintertime. But this time it's looking like it is going to be the prime setup, at least for the first couple of days. I don't foresee any snow coming up until about Saturday night or so. So let's just jump right into the 7-day forecast. So I will start with the Corvallis/South Valley since your forecast is slightly different. As a note, anything in purple is a record low high temperature or a record low low temperature. So you have 2 days of just rain or showers, followed by, I think, a rain-snow mix on Christmas, possibly transitioning to all snow Saturday night into Sunday morning, where Sunday, Monday are the snowy days, and then dying off by Tuesday with a chance of snow existing both Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures starting from the mid-40s, but cooling off pretty rapidly, being in the right around 30 Monday and Tuesday, and down to 22 for high on Wednesday. I should note that these temperatures are based off of having snow on the ground. If there is no snow on the ground, expect those temperatures to be about 5 to 10 degrees higher than they are. It also assumes a clear night on Tuesday night and a mainly dry day, maybe with some flurries on Wednesday. For the Portland metro area, same deal with the 2 days to prepare. The first difference comes on Saturday, where I think you should transition to snow sometime that evening. So it won't go in the history books as a white Christmas necessarily, since the snow depth totals are taken at 4 a.m. from the National Weather Service office. But you will still see flakes most likely on Christmas. Sunday could be a snowy day. Monday, I do expect some of those flakes to die off, more so on Tuesday. Tuesday actually could end up being a completely dry day, depending on how it shakes out. And then Wednesday looks to be pretty dry and pretty cold. Just like Corvallis, the latter half of this is a little more aggressive in terms of the temperature and snowfall forecast, especially Wednesday, as that assumes that we have snow on the ground, plus a clear Tuesday night and a mainly dry Wednesday. I should also note that I am a little more conservative compared to a lot of the computer models with the temperatures from Thursday to Saturday and right about on the computer model line with Sunday. Just as a little added bonus, I did create an extra slide for beyond the 7-day forecast to just give a basis on how long this could go on. I'm not going to be including this in every video, so I do not see any sign of a warm up until the end of the computer model runs. That currently ends January 5th. I have found no reason to dispute that either. Bitter cold Wednesday through Friday. I expect a lot of east winds in the Portland area. If you remember my winter weather December update, I said that the peak wind gust could be coming out of the east. I'm not sure if it'll break the 45 mile per hour gust, but it might be some very windy days. It's very possible we could have more snow New Year's weekend, but because that's in what I like to call clown range, that 10 to 12 days out time period, I'm not confident enough to even make a forecast on that other than just this mention. So that almost certainly will change at least a little bit. And if this goes the way the long-range computer models are showing, this would be the longest stretch of below freezing temperatures in over 40 years, since the winter of 1978 to 79. So otherwise, that is it. I will talk to you all tomorrow with more details on this, and otherwise, take care.